Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my new releases for this week. So let's go ahead and jump right into them. This week I am doing a Christmas in July theme, so I'm really excited to show you guys all of the items that I have available for this week. First things first is we do have a wiggle. This is a clear wiggle and it's so hard to see with the studio lights. Let me see if I put a flashlight on. If it's any better, but this is a sparkly red and we are calling this Merry Sparkle. This will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern for $10 for all 6 pieces or $2 for the individual pieces. So you have your photo corners, you have your twinkle headers, you have the icons and date numbers, your full box overlays, your sampler type of page here, and then you have your bottom washi overlays. I love the inverted bow or bow 2.0, but I just am obsessed with this. It's going to be great for the holidays, but also Valentine's Day, that kind of month, or just any type of spread that you might have read in. So that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the foil for this week. So instead of doing foil this week, I do have 2 prepackaged solid wiggles. So this one is called Sugar Cookie, and this one is super versatile because it is a really pretty pink and gold. Let me go ahead and show you guys compared to, a lot of you guys probably have mermaids only, the pink comparison. So this is a solid wiggle, so it's in our normal solid wiggle format. And we will have these available in packs only, where they will not be sold a la carte. So it is with our regular gold foil and then with this really pretty pink. So you have the headers, the date covers, the flag and bows, the circle icons, and then also the bottom washi. I love these. I think they're so versatile, especially the pink. And then I also have a buffalo check, or I guess like a flannel. I'm not sure. What is there a difference between a buffalo check and just like a flannel? I always relate this to buffalo check, but I'm not totally sure. I'm not cultured on my checks. So this is with our gold foil, same as the pink, but with the buffalo check flannel background. I love this one. Again, the same pieces, and this will be available as a set only. So those are the 2 like wiggle packs or foil bundles that will be available this Friday. And then we do have 4 mini kit exclusives, and these kits will only be available this weekend. They are all Christmas themed because we wanted to do a like Christmas in July, and they are all photo kits. I actually don't plan as of right now doing any other photo kits this Christmas. So if Christmas and photo kits, like that's your thing, this is where you need to be. So I did all mini kits just because I thought that'd be something fun since I'm doing 4. So let's go ahead and go through each and every one. They all have very different vibes. So this one is called Golden. As you can see, there's a lot of white and gold in this kit. Super cute. Let's go into the contents. Like I said, all of these are mini kit exclusive. I'm going to do unlimited stock for the weekend. This is actually probably going to be the last weekend that I do unlimited stock for the whole weekend. We will probably have to move it down to 3 hours just because of how busy it has been for production. So this will probably be the last week for that, but these will only be available for the weekend. Sunday at midnight Eastern time, I will be taking these down. So this is the full box page. You have your half boxes, you have your functional page, you have your deco page. So all of these are like individually cut deco pieces, which are super cute. Then you have a bunch of other functional items over here, and then you have the bottom washi and the date covers with the extra full box. So that is the mini kit for Golden, and then you have the little freebie here as well. So dang cute. I love it. It's so minimalistic, but I think the gold makes it really pretty. I can only imagine this with foil. Love it. So that is the mini kit, and then there is also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and there's also the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi strip. So that is Golden. Then the next one we have is called Blush. They're all kind of named after their colorways. So this is a blush pink photo kit for Christmas. So first things first is you have your full boxes. I love the candy canes. It's probably my favorite element out of all of these kits. You have your half boxes page, your functional page. These colors are live. You have your deco, which again is cut out. That takes forever with a photo kit. If you guys are kit makers, or sticker makers, you know this takes forever, and then the other functional items, and then you have a full candy cane look for the bottom washi, which I love. So that is the mini kit for blush. Like I said, these will be available only for the weekend, and I will not be doing, as of right now, I don't plan to, which I could say 95% positive I won't be doing any other photo kits for Christmas. But I do have a ton of Christmas art coming, guys, of course, and Halloween and Thanksgiving. So fall, you name it. So those are all of the add-ons. You want to add those on. And this is probably my favorite out of all of them. This one's called Classic. I love the colors in them. This one is so rich. Those classic Christmas colors. The other ones are very like dainty and pretty. So this one is just kind of like brick pattern in the background. You have the red and the green. It is the season to sparkle. Your half boxes page, your functional page, your deco, and then other functional items, and then your bottom washi, which I think is super fun with the wood pattern throughout, and your extra full box. So again, that is called Classic right there. Super pretty. Love that one. So that is the mini kit, and then you do have the 15mm, the glitter header, and the label sampler if you want to add those on. And then last but not least, we have our best-selling Christmas kit last year, which is wonderful. I will not be bringing this back as an ultimate, so this will be the only chance to pick this one up. So this is the full box page, super popular last year, our best-selling Christmas kit for sure. Super pretty, and the bottom washi, I love this one. This one is really unique because you can use any foil color with it, in my opinion, and it will look bomb.com, which I feel like is pretty hard for kits to like kind of look good with any of our core foils. So love this one. And again, there is the option if you want to add on the label sampler, the glitter sampler, and the label or the 15mm strip. Besides that, so we do have the 4 kits that are going to be available, the 4 mini kits that'll be available for this weekend only. So love that. Then you have these, which are pre-bundled. So again, you have Sugar Cookie and then the Buffalo Check. Hopefully that's what this is called. And then you also have the Merry Sparkle, which will be available on Wednesday. So besides that, I also will be having 50% off all old Christmas items. So we do have, I believe, Christmas washi, Christmas tan kits, Christmas scripts, like all of those items will be 50% off. I'm going to make it super easy for you guys, and I'm going to make a new collection on the homepage. So everything, you know, will be on the homepage. So you'll have your new releases, and then right below will be everything that is 50% off. So definitely stock up because it's a great deal, and I hope you guys like this week's new releases. Again, this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and the rest of these items will be available Friday at noon Eastern. But again, I hope you guys like this week's new release video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.